competing in this street dance showdown. May we give a big round of applause to contingent number 1 coming from the Eastern Barangays. Nasaan na sila? The Eastern Barangays are headed by Barangay Captain Emilio de la Cruz, Barangay Captain Uldarico Lizardo, Barangay Captain Bernard Uini, Barangay Captain Eduardo Tabido, and Barangay Captain Ernesto Guillermo Jr. May we also acknowledge the coordinator, Miss Maria Celia Barcarce, and their trainers, Mr. Gerald Callejo and Mr. Rico Rabanal.
Asan yan?
Another big round of applause to contingent number 2 coming from the Western Barangays. Nasaan po sila?
Over there.
Over there. And this contingent is headed by Barangay Captain Dario Lacuanan, Barangay Captain Tomas Bayani, Barangay Captain Roman Arellano, Barangay Captain Edward Guillermo, and Barangay Captain Edwin Acosta. Coordinator, Mr. Mario Rosario, and trainers, Mr. Mars Palmasan, Mr. Romeo Galan, Mr. Jonar Paglis, and Mr. Lesen Domingo. Palakpakan na dyan for the Western Barangay. Let us also welcome the third contingent from the Southern Barangays over there. And this very strong contingent is headed by Barangay Captain Rodilio Alpano, the APC President, Barangay Captain Floro Dagdagan, Barangay Captain William Trinidad, Barangay Captain Isidro Uganisa, Barangay Captain Roger Juan, Barangay Captain Cesar Panyo, and Barangay Captain Flaridel Juan. And the last but not the least, the fourth contingent coming from the Eastern Barangays. Nandyan po sila, very green.
Central.
Central Barangays, composed of Barangay Centro East and Centro West, headed of course by Barangay Captain Maria Cristina Alonso and Barangay Captain Perlita Guillermo. The coordinator is none other than Mr. Arlay Paulino Lasso Jr. and the trainers. Let us welcome also Mr. James Rivera, Mr. Blader Kironico, Mr. Neiljan Tanyeka, and Mr. Arline Bonifacio. Miss, Mr. whatever.